Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking to up your game when it comes to your webcam, I have the one for you. This is the Lumina AI-powered webcam. This webcam is a compact size and it comes with everything that you need to get started. So the camera has actually two ways that you can operate it. One is called the RAW feature, and that on its own provides great clarity for your screen. However, the camera also has an app that you can download that's called Plus. The Plus app allows you to use an enclosed color card that the camera automatically starts scanning on you so that you can have different adjustments set up for your lighting. So suppose you have your camera on during the day. Well, you might want different lighting and better visibility, whereas you can set up a different one for later in the day. So all you have to do is use that color card for each one, and then you can actually name them right on your computer. One feature on the camera app that's really cool is called Cameraman. So once you turn that feature on, the Cameraman has the AI power, and that will follow you wherever you are in your meeting. The camera works well with meeting apps. I found that adjusting your settings on the camera first and then turning on your apps is what works best, so that the camera still will keep its good visibility. The compact size of this camera should not fool you, because this camera is definitely a high-powered, really easy to use camera. I love that enclosed color card because it really provides the best lighting for you while you're using it. If you want to look very crystal clear on meetings and really grab attention, then you definitely will want to check out this camera. It is well worth upgrading your game when it comes to your webcam, and that's my point of view.